Hi friends, today we're going to make some chalk. So we have a cup of flour in our bowl, so soft. We are going to then add a cup of water. We are then going to stir, stir, stir until it is all the way stirred up. It will look like this. Whoa! Then we're going to add some color. I'm gonna make my chalk blue. Blue. 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to stir our color in. Do you see what color it is turning? It's turning blue. I think I want to add a little more color. Let's do 3 more. 1, 2, 3. And stir it again. All right, now it is all stirred. So next, we are going to take some parchment paper and cut it into little spots so that we can put it in our muffin tin. We are then going to scoop our flour into our muffin tin. Cut some more. Cut, cut, cut. We'll do a couple more. So we can have lots of chalk outside. Do you like to play with chalk? All right, friends, then we will let it sit. Now our chalk is sitting, and when it is all done, we will pop it out and be able to go outside and play.